Long forms scare visitors. Multi-step pop-ups boost conversions by starting with simple questions. Today, we'll show you how to build these engaging flows using PopupKit. It's the easiest way to guide users step by step without being annoying. Method 1 is the fast track. In the PopupKit dashboard, click Add New Campaign. This opens the template library. Select the Multi-Step Campaigns category. Import a template that fits your goal, like a discount offer or a lead magnet. Then make some quick tweaks to match your brand and style. Insert each stage by clicking the Steps option in the editor header. Decision, Form, and Success. Or you can enter the PopupKit Steps block settings to switch steps easily. Additionally, you can rename pop-up steps, add or delete one, and define which step will appear after which. Now, let's refine the setup. Start with step 1 by using a low-pressure question or a simple Yes button. In the button settings, choose what happens next. Set the click event to Go to a step, then select Form from the selected step dropdown. In step 2, add your form to capture email addresses. Open the form block settings, go to Button, and set the After Submit action to Go to a step. From the dropdown, select Success. The final success step is where you reveal the gift or reward to your users. This Yes Ladder technique reduces friction and can significantly increase signups. If you're done with the design, click the Save button and preview the multi-step templates. Next, configure your campaign settings. Use display conditions, geo-targeting, and device rules to control where your pop-up appears. Don't forget to set the frequency so you don't overshow it to the same visitor. Once everything's set, activate your pop-up campaign and preview your multi-step pop-up on your live website. Want total control? Let's build one from scratch. Create a blank campaign to open the no-code editor. Look for the PopupKit Steps block. Drag it in and you'll see your sequential screens. Now, configure the pop-up steps and campaign conditions the same way as the template method. Then, go to the Style tab and customize the look. You can set unique backgrounds and layouts for every single step to keep the experience fresh and branded. If everything looks smooth, toggle the Activate button and press the Save button. So start building your high-converting multi-step pop-ups with PopupKit today.